Hi champs, how are you? So hopefully my ninth grade students are eagerly waiting for my video. So today we are going to start ninth grade maths coordinate geometry. Forgot to say welcome to our channel Maths Mill. So students, today we are going to discuss about coordinate geometry from ninth grade concept. So coordinate geometry in the sense, first we should get to know about coordinate system, what is x-axis, what is y-axis, what is internal relation between 8th grade to ninth grade, ninth grade to 10th grade, what are the important concepts we are going to be learn in this, that and all we are going to be discuss in this class. Okay. So champs, here coordinate geometry introduced in this class only CBSE. So in this particularly what we are going to be learning in the sense how to locate a point, how to plot a point. In general, in our geometry concept, there is no particular definition for point. Point which has no breadth, no length, no depth. So like that, a point is there which has no magnitude. So in this particularly we can define a point in this coordinate system. If you can take a point here, if you can observe, it is 2 units distance from x-axis, 3 units distance from y-axis. So we can name it as 2, 3. So in this, first we have to get to know what is x-axis, what is y-axis. X-axis in the sense the number line which we learned in 8th grade. The number line we know, right? The number line, horizontal number line, vertical number line is nothing but y-axis. In this only we are going to locate a point. Okay. Now coming to the next part, plotting of a point. Just I said 2, 3. 2 distance from y-axis, 3 distance from x-axis. So here in this particularly this 2, 3, 2 can be called as x coordinate, 3 can be called as y coordinate. Okay. So we discussed about x coordinate, y coordinate, that is x-axis, y-axis. On x-axis y is equal to 0. So anywhere if we can take, for example, this is the point, it is the point minus 3, 0. This is the point 2, 0, like that. On x-axis y is equal to 0. If on y-axis it is 0, 2, here it is 0, minus 2. On y-axis x is 0. So if we can observe, here we are writing first x, next y. Here also we are writing first x, next y. So you have to be keep a point in the mind, that is always we should mention x-axis first, after that y-axis. That means what is the point on x-axis? That is called x coordinate. What is the point on y-axis? That is called y coordinate. So some few more Greek words are also there. X coordinate can be called as abscissa, as well as y coordinate can be called as ordinate. This is very useful to your regular class as well as regular examination, 9th grade CBSE. Not only 9th grade CBSE, apart from that, who and all are having coordinate geometry, that it will be very useful to them. Okay. The coordinate system can also called as Cartesian system. 2 more points we have to be learned. A line is parallel to x-axis. For example, if you are taking a line here, a line is parallel to x-axis, y is equal to k. Y is equal to here how much? 3. That we have to be remember. A line is parallel to y-axis. So x is equal to minus 2. That is the way at what point the line intersects the axis, that point only have to be taken. Is it clear? This is about the introduction of coordinate system or Cartesian system. Now we are going to learn about the quadrants as well as plotting of points. So in this Cartesian system we should learn about quadrants. Very important. So what are quadrants? How it will be? What is nature of quadrants? How we can plot the points? That and all based on this. So here it is always quadrant 1 in anti-clockwise direction, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4 we can. Quadrant in the sense 90 degrees. Here it is 90, 90, 90, 90. Like that. Okay. So particularly what is the nature of the quadrants in the Cartesian system? That we have to be. That means how the point will be in that. For example, what is in quadrant 1 point nature? What are the symbols for quadrant 1? That and all we are going to be learn now. The points will be in the quadrants. Every point in quadrant 1 having the symbols plus and plus. Quadrant 2 minus and plus. Quadrant 3 minus and minus. Quadrant 4 plus and minus. So every quadrant like this only. Okay. So for example, how it will be? Here I want to plot a point here and here. 2, 2. If you can observe, here everything is plus. Here also everything is plus. So both we are taking as plus. Now plotting of point also, always you have to be choose x first, after that y next. In this, for example, here I am plotting a point like this. This is the point. So this point I can name it as A. And what is the point name in the sense how to plot the point in the sense first x-axis x coordinate is 5, y-axis y coordinate is 4. So any point you are taking in quadrant 1, that it both the numbers should be having plus. Hope you understood. Now if you can move on to quadrant 2, if I want to plot a point here like this, if you can put dots, easily you will get it and may name it as B. As I said, first we have to be take x coordinate, that is on how much it is? Minus 4. As I said, it is 2. Hope you understood that quadrant 2 nature of the points is minus comma plus. First x is minus, y is plus, so minus comma plus you may get here. Hope you understood this. Is it clear to all my dears? So here coming to quadrant 3, nature of quadrant 3 is minus, both are minus. See here it is minus, minus. So if I can take a point here, let it be C. So randomly I am taking, here it is, first always x-axis, next y-axis, minus 2 comma minus 4. So what we have to be learn here, a point in the Q3 is both the numbers must be minus. Hope you are understanding. Now coming to Q4, easily you can find, here I am taking one point. So it is the distance from y-axis, it is the distance from x-axis. You have to be take x first, y is minus 1, let it be D. In the quadrant 4, if you can take 5 comma minus 1, in this pi comma minus 1, how we can represent? Always first x-axis. X-axis is value is plus 5. Y value is minus 1. So point is pi comma minus 1. So like this, we have to be plot the points as well as nature of the quadrants also we have to be learned. Very easy and important. Why it is important in the sense, in the coming year, 10th grade, you have to be learn about distance formula, section formula, area of a triangle, area of a quadrilateral, this and all you have to be learned. So if you are thorough enough with this concept, surely the upcoming concepts are very easy to you. Followed by this, in my next video, I am going to teach you how to plot the points or else how to which quadrant we have to be plot, or else if the point given on the graph, how to identify. This and all we are going to learn in the next video. My dear chums, to get more knowledge in mathematics, please follow my videos, like, share, subscribe, and ask your friends to subscribe to get knowledge enhancement in mathematics. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get your notifications. Okay. Anyway, thanks for supporting me. Please keep on supporting. Thank you. Bye bye.